Hello, hello. Welcome to May's Plan With Me. It feels like March lasted forever and then April just flew by. If you missed my last video, I'll link it up now. It was a relaxing draw with me time lapse, and I'll be using the vegetables that I drew to decorate this month's bullet journal. Let's start with a simple cover page with a faux calligraphy style May. If you want to fake calligraphy lettering, write out your word in a cursive style and then make all the downward strokes thick. Could have left it here, but I'm bored, so more doodling the better. At this point, I thought that the top right corner looked a little empty. I was listening to a podcast and my mind started to wander. The doodles started to morph into something that I wasn't really thinking about. And in the end, I think it has quite a threatening aura. I shrugged it off and moved on to the monthly page. Here I'm highlighting weeks in alternating colours and then transferring dates over from my future log at the start of the journal. This was a disheartening process, as I realised how many things I had looked forward to in May have all been postponed. Right about now is when I decided I couldn't look at the monstrosity of that doodle any longer, so I cut out some brown packaging paper. For my mood tracker, I'm repeating the pattern from the cross-section of a beetroot. Each round is split into 2 days. To be honest, I don't know how much I'll use this page. I abandoned last month's tracker completely because I'm going through a spectrum of emotions every day, so it's really hard to pick one colour to represent one day. But we'll see. Even if I don't colour it in, it looks quite cool as is. Brain dump page is very simple. I've echoed the torn brown paper edges and the vine doodle as a frame. I'm filling out the first 2 weeks of this month's journal. and have modelled them on the weekly spreads that are in the printables from my Etsy shop.
Couldn't help but smile at you, noticing things I never did before. Kept it to myself cause I wasn't sure how you could make me feel the way you do. Used to come a little closer, wanna know what your lips feel like, and the party's almost over. Hope I'm leaving with you tonight. Oh,
I'm decorating these pages with the rest of my vegetable drawings and some more brown paper.
You turn me upside down, can't wrap my head around the way that these hands reach out for you like no one else. I don't know what you're doing to me, but can I have a little more, please? Can I have a little more?
Even though the majority of my work for the month of May have been postponed, I'm finding it helpful to still stick to a weekly schedule, if only for household chores and planning for my future.
Never thought I'd be touching you, holding my breath cause I'm new to this, taking my time so I won't forget how it feels. Electricity, chemistry, energy is everything. Come a little closer, we don't need a reason why. The party's almost over, think I'm leaving with you tonight. Oh, something's different now, I can't recognize myself. You turn me upside down, can't wrap my...
When I was planning this video, I wanted to include 3 recipes to feature all the vegetables that I drew. Since I'm trying to minimize trips to public places, it's been hard to find radish and rhubarb. But here is one recipe that incorporates beetroot and garlic.
Oh, I don't think that falling in love will happen to us, no matter how hard we try to live our fantasy.
Chop 2 beetroots into large chunks and mix with a sprinkle of salt and a dash of olive oil.
You want me here with you, and now you want me gone. Oh, and I don't think that
Spread across a foiled tray and bake at 190 degrees for 20 minutes.
my dear, and fulfill my fears of all the wasted years.
Meanwhile, crush, peel and slice 2 cloves of garlic.
Keep your destiny and you can keep your faith. You can't rely on me cause you know I'll be late, and I don't even know if I follow my beliefs. I'm trying to stay as I'm watching you leave, and I don't think that falling in love.
Into a food processor, I'm using my NutriBullet, goes equal parts cooked chickpeas and roasted beetroot.
And disappear with all my tears, cause I don't think you understand.
A tablespoon of tahini, a splash of olive oil, and some fresh lemon juice.
One has to bring you down to earth.
The sliced garlic, salt, pepper, and a few tablespoons of water.
Will happen to us no matter how hard, cause now we're sinking, crying for help. We can't save our
Blitz to your desired consistency and garnish with sesame seeds.
still with you, so please don't look down, cause I'm too scared to drown. Now
I really hope May signals a turn for the better for the world. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like and subscribe, and above all, I hope you stay safe. Bye.